There is audio leak. Me pese ye nyina no ye hwe wonsem na ye ka. Na ye pen po mesebe no. About audio ni no me tie conversation no. And me tie voice no. Na it was Reverend Oböfour, Oböfour. About baby obi am chiao. Na Reverend Oböfour kasam no. And I make the conversation, whatever it is that brought up the conversation, for me, I don't know. It's someone else. I told Obi say Reverend Oböfour. Obi say your friend Agada. Obi say Reverend Osubempa. I warned them about all these things. And Sanyama we no, and you want to say a fee Appiâh before. Say e do time bion na se ye ne ni pananse a eze zempanyi fo se e se ne techema kwa ku e na wiase die ben e na atwie. But this is social media gamer. Meaning what a software in Ghana mo pe. Meaning what you guys are looking for. Because Reverend, meaning idea mo pe o social media. They be am kaze social media no. The negativity part is there. And a positive part and so whole. No, question was a positive part in the and you're the other trending term. But always be a negative part in the other trending term. And you know, and then when you plan away, software any muasi, you for went to form, and no at the end of the day, obi shame any part or mama word home.
Mema my Ghana phone nyina akwaba ediba attention TV so pamucho subscribe channel no ema me na mo share videos in across all the social media platforms so emfa ema me sa na mo like page you know na mo dem comment ni so title ede abasam ene ede na itwagu ewe social media ni so alleged audio bi say enam abonten efa Reverend Oböfour ene Appiâh Bìblicâl ehumumienko na mumienko tie audio no embra
Obi ncham di mama word e wo ho yengu ye ni mase yen say we yen for we to form ni ye ninje obi ncham ni pa o market social media fight no mama word e wo ho obi ncham before why would you go to that extent? Why would you go to that extent? Why would you go to that extent? For me either say audio no dada o muno enye ho kwa na me hwe o kwa na me hwe. But my point is that why would you go to that extent of having a conversation of which you knew? Why? And that time now you were having that conversation, what was running through your mind? Before that time, meaning say now there was a misunderstanding between you and the Canadian affair. So you were trying to expose Canadian affair. And I mean what? But we can't say exposing Canadian affair. What's exposing Canadian affair wife? Who's also exposing wife? Quite apart from that, who exposing Canadian affair wife? Again, because you knew very well that time no seven pedias now. Now you never also been pa. Now you call naka now. Now you never also been pedding come on. So what was the motive behind the fact that you knew what was happening? You knew what was ahead of him, Papa no. But you couldn't in any way. And see Papa now say me you so funny. Seven pedias or so for penny. To say me am so be that and sorry man. It's about me see Papa now say hey, say na ni pebi ye. What was the motive behind it? You couldn't do it. It's a good time you cheap Papa no. This is something that one here you may do something if it's good for someone, but maybe you should not turn it to be bad. Not tell it to be bad. O shaya ma papa no kotam nanim wie. And I hear why you so be you so catch power. E dey abo dey e dey abo papa na rescue no. That time no na say we, I not say we. It's that time and also 190 and adwo now far nya no. I can tell you confidently tells you any relevant biem. Na ka that time na hu hia biem. Na ka betu ya save that stress. of so who took car na jo na unam one how can you unam no ani kunu apake no ada na ka be just with that stress but I didn't do it. It is the name so unam na say o ko 7 months we pa na jo e wo e first be e che no ni ade nya e ye wo na wo pe na buy e ye wo na wo pe. This is the bitter truth. E ye wo na wo pe na buy all because of the fact that fine there is misunderstanding between you and Kennedy Affair. Meanwhile Kennedy Affair was your body. Kennedy was your body. On seba abo mo de kan nan audio no meaning say even Kennedy Affair na na record that chi ko onjini ni. Meanwhile the same Kennedy Affair was with Rebel Supermpa. And in the court, even a year come about Kumas and Kennedy Affair Rebel Supermpa nam. He was even guiding Rebel Supermpa. Yes, this a year beyond by quite Jimmy for a Kobun was say. Yes. Kennedy Affair was with Rebel Supermpa. He was even guiding Rebel Supermpa a year na say I have the video and I may hear or guiding Rebel Supermpa a year na say on person be a kwabano. No, or didn't quite year na say coach. So why would you guys be in this world? Now, be a money name called Nakana until the penny for say, a boy be now a boy kawane from to me. Now, Johnny did know on the very when you understand them, no be other. No be other. Me makasa some say when it is say I didn't a. This is the bitter truth. In as much as you were exposing Kennedy Affair because there was misunderstanding before, no one said exposing Kennedy Affair wife. No one exposing Kennedy Affair wife because you said the point blank say, "Ne re in the castle also compare IFS Samsung." Inti pay for the piano or say na no yebi. And that is why so obi mo the din komo obi mo the kasa no mo the hunipa ko say the chi oye because you guys were into the same game. And now, what do you make? Opa, Mammy ko cancel me, entia, and I say I'm calling in favor of be a rebel Supermpa. Obet you have something, and now job say, hey, when the synergy, because oh, be, or ye be. Metie master making. Oh dear, my uncle ye might be a rebel for me, kind of question. Obet you have something, I can say, daddy, and I got down a synergy, and the rebels will punish synergy. Yes, because oh, ye be, only movie, or you won't be. That's your game. That's the kind of game you guys are playing on social media. At the end of the day, my reputation never form. At the end of the day, no, if you guys don't know, I'm telling you, totally. Will be part any year. Like how on that? Must you have a conversation, comfortable conversation with someone? Maybe that time you trusted. Now I feel audio now, but that one say how. Why must it be so? Nanki I record it. Ha. If you got something prejudice, you won't come be on ma. Unyo be a dear. If you got something to say, but no person come on here there. Maybe I would pay a matching idea. Fine. Oh. If you have a can be more Nippon who says there on no information. Oh. But at the end of the day, I don't could be bonnet. Jensen over could be a bonnet, say, Nippana Munio air, a Jumano, Nipana Munio Mudi sound commono, Nipana Munio Mudi sound grono, sound almost here. Always be an omodi omo tomanim guasema you. And you won't want him guasiana or nebano. Oh no, or then guasim dadano, M5 mano.
Mesan emam akwaba sonkon edeba attention TV so pam show mo subscribe channel no emame mo subscribe channel na ane ko ba bia news bia training issues so ba ha na mo beti ne first on say na ma notice on your phone no say hey oh my god na wo mu no unimu ekwane ekoso bia obeti ne ekoso yi ni mu odin ewo attention TV so pam cho me a me besom nana TV makra mo da se ne esame hwe